Hey guys, this is a quick video slideshow showing you how I made a quick green roof on a garden office. So this is a very shallow growing medium, that's the pebbles and the sand you can see in this picture, and you plant it up with sedum seeds. The sedum seeds are really small, so you need to mix them with sand first, and it helps you sow them evenly. So here you can see I'm using a piece of wood for screeding, and I'm just laying about an inch's worth of compost, sand and shingle mixed together to create a very shallow growing medium. And here you can see, if you pause on here, some details. The actual waterproofing for the roof is made with a sheet of polythene typically used for damp proofing foundations of housings. It's called DPC sheeting. It can be bought at builders merchants. So here you can see that it hangs down the side of the roof structure, and then you put the boards, which we saw in the previous pictures, over the sides. Here's a picture of the growing medium. It's got bits of bark and sand and all sorts of stuff in it. You can use anything you can find really. And here are the first little shoots coming up. This takes about a month or so for things to get established. You may need to water the plants before they become hardy and can be left for long periods without rainfall. And after about a year you will find that your roof has screened up quite considerably and you start to get flowers and things like this. So it's quite a worthwhile little project. You could pop one on a shed in just an afternoon perhaps, and I advise you to give it a go. Well worth it. Thank you very much. Bye.